Hello world and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the dynamic world of e-commerce. As an e-commerce expert, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game-changing tool that's revolutionizing how sellers conquer the online marketplace. With Amazon's explosive growth and the surge in e-commerce interest, it's more important than ever to equip yourself with the right tools. That's where AMZScout comes in. Join me as we explore how AMZScout's Sellers Bundle can elevate your selling strategy from product discovery to optimizing your sales performance. As we navigate through this video sponsored by AMZScout, we'll uncover the powerful insights their Sellers Bundle offers, empowering sellers of all levels to thrive in this competitive landscape. Let's unlock the secrets to success in e-commerce together for you. Now let's delve into the AMZScout checklist, your ultimate guide to finding winning products. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to scale your business, this checklist covers all the essential steps to ensure your success. AMZScout provides a comprehensive suite of tools designed to support every stage of your Amazon selling journey. From product research to keyword optimization and performance tracking, AMZScout has you covered. Let's highlight some exclusive features. AMZScout's product database and Pro extension offer real-time insights into sales volume, bestseller ranks, reviews, and more, helping you make informed decisions. Next up, the Keyword Explorer and ASIN keyword lookup tools empower you to uncover high-converting keywords for your listings and PPC campaigns, ensuring maximum visibility and sales. You can find out more in their platform. Just click the link below to try it and see with your eyes the high potential. Track your product's organic ranking with the Keyword Tracker, optimizing your PPC strategy to minimize costs while maximizing your Amazon search visibility. Last but not least, Amazon Insights, a unique AMZScout feature, provides unparalleled market intelligence to help you stay ahead of the competition. Now let's dive into some real-world examples. We're going to showcase 5 winning product ideas discovered using AMZScout's powerful tools. These products are not just potential, they're backed by data and ready to succeed on Amazon. Many beginners are overwhelmed by choosing their first product and fear losing money. Some never take the first step. AMZScout's comprehensive course has helped over 100,000 sellers kickstart their Amazon journey. From product research to PPC campaigns, reviews, and profitability strategies, it prepares sellers to confidently find, source, and sell profitable products from day one. Are the niches you want to sell in performing well? Many sellers struggle with this question. With AMZScout's Pro extension, sellers instantly access critical metrics like sales volume, bestseller rank, reviews, number of sellers, and listing quality. This tool helps sellers discard unprofitable niches and focus on winning products. Need new profitable product ideas quickly? Product 1: Travel Flat Water Bottle. High revenue opportunity, relatively low top brand competition, low quality listings. Why people buy it? People buy this flat water bottle for its sleek design, easy filling capability, and leak-proof construction. This bottle is perfect for gym workouts, travel, and everyday use. The sturdy silicone seal provides peace of mind, ensuring no spills or mess, as it provides convenience for everyday modern living. Why it is a great idea to sell it. This niche is not oversaturated and has a relatively low number of reviews. This product has several well-priced variations, so sellers can achieve a solid profit margin and be able to generate decent sales even with a low review count. With just a little bit of effort, this item's listing quality can be significantly improved, which will allow any new seller to stand out and gain higher sales. Sellers can also differentiate this product from existing competitors by offering a better design and price, as well as by offering products in a more attractive set or pack. Using AMZScout's tools, you can see various crucial data points such as sales volume, bestseller rank, reviews, number of sellers, listing quality, and other essential parameters. These insights help determine whether a product like this travel flat water bottle is worth investing in, or if you should discard it and search for another winning product. With AMZScout, you can confidently navigate your product selection process. Through thorough market analysis and optimization using AMZScout's analytics, we strategically position the product to maximize visibility and appeal. This approach not only increased traffic but also significantly boosted conversion rates, highlighting the effectiveness of data-driven research and strategic listing optimization. Moving on to our second case study, we've the product 2: Adjustable Baby Balance Bike. Good revenue opportunity, relatively new niche, giftable. Why people buy it? People buy this adjustable baby balance bike for its safety features: no sharp edges, enclosed wheels, and limited steering. The adjustable seat and lightweight design make this item ideal for toddlers who are learning to walk and ride. It also makes the perfect gift for young children's first birthdays. Why it is a great idea to sell it. This niche is unsaturated and you won't compete with Amazon. It's not necessary to have many reviews to generate a decent profit. Additionally, this product is giftable, and in addition to its steady sales throughout the year, it can generate even more revenue during the holiday season. With just a little bit of effort, this item's listing quality can be significantly improved, which will allow any new seller to stand out and gain higher sales. Sellers can also differentiate this product from existing competitors by offering a better design and price, as well as by offering products in a more attractive set or pack. For those who are unsure how to find winning products, you can access the AMZScout report directly or use AMZScout tools to streamline your product research process. AMZScout provides comprehensive insights and data-driven decisions to help you succeed in e-commerce. Using AMZScout's Keyword Explorer, we meticulously researched and integrated high-converting keywords into our listing. AMZScout's insights into search volume, competition level, and trending keywords allowed us to tailor our PPC campaigns effectively. This strategic keyword optimization not only improved our product search ranking, but also attracted targeted traffic, resulting in a significant uptick in sales. To kickstart your product research journey with AMZScout and receive our comprehensive report featuring these successful case studies, click the link in the description below. This report is essential for newcomers looking to find a winning product, offering crucial insights that can help you avoid beginner mistakes and accelerate your path to profitability. Don't miss out on this opportunity to leverage AMZScout's expertise and take your e-commerce business to new heights. Product idea: 3 Turkish beach towel set. Good revenue opportunity, customizable, very high sales. Why people buy it? These Turkish beach towels are crafted from 100% high-quality natural Turkish cotton, ensuring durability and color retention thanks to naturally dyed yarn. Its super absorbent and quick dry capabilities make this item ideal for various activities like swimming, camping, or yoga, while its compact design and included storage bags save space and streamline packing. Why it is a great idea to sell it. With this product, you are likely to see a solid profit and generate decent sales. The niche is not oversaturated with sellers, and there are currently no competitors with a monopoly in this market, which makes it relatively easy for new sellers to enter. The niche also allows for a lot of variability when it comes to including other items inside your kit. This provides opportunities for variation and options suited to each individual customer. Sellers can expect to enter this niche successfully and offer their own version of this in-demand product. This item is not fragile or electronic, and it's also lightweight and foldable, so it should be easy for beginners to source and deliver this product. Niche indicators on Amazon sellers are likely to see impressive profit opportunities from April to August. Even though this niche is seasonal, average monthly revenue numbers are still good during the off-season October to February as well. Niche history on Amazon: this niche has the potential to generate impressive sales from April to September, making it ideal for sellers who are looking to achieve quick profits in Q2 or Q3. The product idea: 4 silicone beach toys, high sales, relatively new niche, very low top brand competition. Why people buy it? This set of silicone beach toys for kids includes a pop-up sandcastle bucket, toy shovel, and a set of sand molds to enjoy anywhere with sand. This combo is perfect for summer day outings and can provide hours of fun and independent play. These food-grade silicone collapsible sand toys are also free from BPA, PVC, phthalate, lead, and latex, and feature a smooth and soft surface for babies to grasp and hold safely. Why it is a great idea to sell it. This niche is quite new and currently unsaturated with just a few reviews, so there is room for new sellers to enter. There are only a few competitors in this niche and only 357 results for the keyword silicone beach toys, which means it should be relatively easy for a new seller to offer this product to customers. With this item, you can achieve a solid profit margin and be able to generate decent sales even with a low review count. With just a little bit of effort, this product's listing quality can be significantly improved, which will allow any new seller to stand out and gain higher sales. Now let's check the niche indicators on Amazon. As you can see, the general niche indicators here are strong. Both the solid numbers of average monthly sales 1,235 and the average monthly price $24.49 promise great profit opportunities for sellers. The average number of reviews for the niche is very low, 361, so there are opportunities to enter this niche. AVG. Price $24.49, very nice. There is a good opportunity for profits. Reviews 361, great. There is a good opportunity to enter this niche. Product idea: 5 reusable water balloons, new niche. High sales, desirable price range. Why people buy it. Enjoy quick, leak-free fun with these refillable water balloons featuring 16 magnetic seals. They're crafted with durable silicone and patented magnetic technology for endless summer fun. These balloons are also eco-friendly and reusable over 1,000 uses, reducing waste and mess. They're perfect for the pool, beach, and any other kind of outdoor play for kids ages 3 and up. Why it is a great idea to sell it. The niche is quite new and not oversaturated with sellers, and there are currently no competitors with a monopoly in this market, which should make it relatively easy for new sellers to enter the market. With just a little bit of effort, this product's listing quality can be significantly improved, which will allow any new seller to stand out and gain higher sales. The niche allows for a lot of variability when it comes to including other related items inside your kit, so sellers have an opportunity for variation and options that are suited to each individual customer. This presents excellent opportunities to enter the niche and offer your own version of this in-demand product. The prices in this niche are also in a desirable price range, attracting a large customer base. So here's my review about AMZScout. It equips sellers with the tools and insights needed to navigate the complexities of product research confidently. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow, AMZScout's comprehensive solutions, from detailed product reports to powerful research tools, are designed to help you succeed. So here's my review about AMZScout. It equips sellers with the tools and insights needed to navigate the complexities of product research confidently. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow, AMZScout's comprehensive solutions, from detailed products. Get started today and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We look forward to helping you achieve your selling goals with AMZScout.